Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I learned Forex trading within 48 hours and start making profit with the methods I'm about to show you, okay? So you have to watch this video from A to Z because I'm going to review a lot of secrets and how I did it, okay? Yes, I mean FX, foreign exchange, the decentralized market for buying currencies and selling currencies. I will share a lot on this video. You have to stick to the end. I know many of you might be wondering how I managed to do this because you have been watching many tutorial videos telling you that 98% of people who learn Forex quit on their way or stop trading because they don't know or because they got scared. No, these videos are content. They are just trying to put fear in you, exaggerating it, telling you that only the 2% of those who learn Forex are trading. Only 2%. No, they are trying to put fear in you. Okay, this is how I managed to do my own, and I will be sharing it with you. So you have to watch this video to the end. But first of all, you have to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of lessons I'm teaching in this channel. So subscribe and be part of this community. In 2019, I decided to go into Forex as a beginner because I want to have a financial freedom. I want to live maybe in a countryside. I want to live anywhere I want to live. In any city, is it in a village, in a communities, in remote areas, since I have my internet, so I can be able to earn something for a living. This video is for educational purposes because trading Forex is so risky. So I only share my journey and what I did, and you will take it as part of learning. But bear it in mind that Forex is risk. So yeah, before you decide to go into Forex, as a Forex beginner in 2019, there are 4 things I did in the first day of my Forex journey. Yes, and these are the most important thing to me. First of all, to know the full meaning of Forex trading. Yes, to know the challenges. I try to know the challenges, I try to know the meaning, I try to know what it's all about. That's what I did on the first day. I know that when I bring 2 countries' currencies together and match them and it becomes pair, I try to see that these 2 pairs, these 2 countries will be fighting, they will be trying to know who will win, who will lose, you understand? So I know that the uptrend, yes, that currency country is winning the market. I know that the downtrend, which is the bearish, I know that that country currency is losing. So I try to imagine it. I try to do a lot of things, for me to know the meaning, the concept of Forex. Knowing the concept of Forex will give you the ability, the energy for you to go into it. So this is what the first thing I did, is to know the full meaning, is to know what Forex is all about. The second thing I did on the first day and second day of my Forex journey is to know my risk management. Risk management is all about limiting your losses. Yes, I try to know how much I will invest, if I will invest 1% or 0.5% or 1/4, or I try to imagine how to limit my losses, because if you don't apply proper risk management, you are going to have problem in Forex. This is the second thing I did. It's all about my risk management because I am conscious of it. I don't want to lose. Even if I make a mistake in entering trade, yes, even if I make a mistake entering trade, I will know how to amend my mistakes. I will know how to manage it, because I don't want to blow my account. I don't want to be part of those who want to rush into the charts or into the market and they blow their account. You understand? So that's why I tried everything possible to know how to manage my capital. You understand? If I fund my account, whenever I fund my account, I know how to manage it. I know how much to trade. So knowing your risky management will keep you on the trade or on the business or on the Forex journey every time. So this is just for educational purposes, okay? So the third thing I did, number 3, is to knowing my support and resistance levels. Yes. Technical analysis. It's all about technical analysis. So if you know much about technical analysis, you will know what is called support and resistance. As a Forex beginner in 2019, I try to understand that there are some of support that has been created 40, 50 years ago, 35 years ago. Okay, so if you are trading Forex, for example, today you are trading Forex at this minute, and your trade or your trade hit a certain level. You don't know that certain level that your trade hits today at this minute, that support or that resistance has been created. It has a strong support or strong resistance 40 years ago, 50 years ago. So there are some traders that doesn't understand this. You just jump into trades. You don't know that you have to trace back. You have to use the history to analyze the future of the market. So knowing your support and the resistance level is one of the most important thing in Forex trading. So just try. Let's dive into chart. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Okay, I will show you everything step by step. Much of your time. This is my channel, IQG TV. So you have to subscribe. We have many lessons we are teaching here. So now let's use trading view in this particular technical analysis. Okay, let's use trading view. This is trading view here. So I already have account in trading view, as you can see. So let's go to because I don't want this video to be long, so let's go to one pair. Okay, which pair are we going to use? Gold or okay, let's use this one. Launch chart. Okay, so whenever I go to a pair, I will always go to the 1 month time frame. This is 1 minute. Okay, let's go back. Okay, when I go to a 1 month time frame, so we are talking about support and resistance levels. Okay, so support and resistance levels, that's what we are talking about. So the first thing I did in 2019 as a Forex trader, I tried to know my what we call candlestick patterns. Yes, I know the candlestick patterns. I know how they behave. I know how they form, and I know how they end. So knowing the candlestick patterns will make you a king of a Forex trader. If you want to be a king in Forex trading, this secret I'm revealing to you at this moment, this secret is the most important secret, which is candlesticks patterns. If you're hearing about prices going up, going down, candlesticks patterns is just the representatives of price. It represents the virtual price of currencies. So if you don't know that, the candlestick pattern, that means your ability to win markets in Forex will be limited. I know how the bullish, all kinds of bullish patterns. I know all kinds of bearish, which is downtrend candlestick patterns. I know how they form. I know a candle that will form. I will tell you where the market is heading. I know the candle that we form or end. I will tell you, since these candlesticks end in this shape, this is how the next candle is going to be. Okay, so this is what I did on my second day of Forex journey, and before I started entering trade, because I already created my because I was like, after learning, I said no, I already have a fund my account. I already put money because I already studied it. I tried to fund my account and enter the first trade. Yes, I know that. I was so like thinking, shaving for the first trade, but it's just a determination. Yes, I did the first trade and I win it. I don't want this video to be very long. In part 2 of this video, I will show you the names of candlesticks patterns, and I will review some secrets about each one that formed or each one that ended, how the next candlestick will be. Yes, it's very, very important for you to know all the candlesticks pattern, both bearish and the bullish. Okay, so whenever they form, whenever they ended, you will know where the market is heading, where your trade is, what your trade is going to, whether you're going to lose or whether you're going to, whether you've been in a trade or whether you're going to quit. You understand? So these are one of the things that makes me pro, that makes me king in this particular Forex trading. Yes, knowing my candlesticks pattern, because I use them to predict my market. I use it to predict every kind of chart. So another thing I want to tell you is all about news. Yes, news is not all the news listed in Forex Factory. Yes, I mean Forex Factory platform. It's not all the news listed there is the one that will have huge impact in markets. Yes, with reasons. For example, Donald Trump, we don't know his next tweet. We don't know his next action. Donald Trump can wake up and do this or and tweet or say something. It's not listed. Or he can just be on his phone and post something on social media. You understand? So you are doing well. If a Forex trader watching me, you are doing well, but it's just remaining small thing. You will be on profit every day. Just remaining small little thing. Because some of you are thinking about news. Yes, that's why you have to control your losses. You have to limit your losses by proper risk management. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something about the meaning of Forex, because we talk about it, and we talk about risky management. We talk about support and resistance level. We talk about candlesticks patterns, and I also tell you about Forex Factory and other platforms that we are trading. Just manage your risk very well, and I also know that this video is for educational purposes. Nobody is encouraging you to go into Forex, you understand, or something, or go and trade online. You know that it's so risky. So before you do that, you have to learn very well, study it, and know what to do. Okay, stick on my channel, IQG. IQG always teach on tech, problem solving videos, informative videos, and subscribe and be part of my community. Thank you.